Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this lovely gorgeous jumbo box braid without using a lace closure. I DIY the lace closure myself. So you can see from the beginning, I've already shown you what I'm going to be using. I've already sewed my lace closure nets down. Now I want to start drawing out how I'm going to be placing the box braid closure at the front. Let me explain this part better. Using this my eyebrow pencil just to section the line out so that it will be easier for me to work with. Do you grab that? It'll be very easier for me to crochet on. So that's what I'm doing. So this is the attachment I'm going to be using. Xpression in color 1. I cut one Xpression into 6 to crochet the front part. I didn't even finish one pack of Xpression hair to crochet the front part. So I'm showing you the things I'm going to be using. This is a crochet hook I'll be using. Now let's start crocheting. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much, guys. Please don't forget to click on the like button. It's very important. Support your girl by clicking on the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when your girl upload a new video. So you can see I'm just crocheting a very tiny section of hair at the front, like 3 strand or 4 strand. Then inside I didn't count the strand I'm using to crochet the next part. So I'll zoom it in very well so that you can understand what I'm trying to explain.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Bit to be like a front how, and let me gist here. This took me like 5 days, almost 5 days to finish this hair you're seeing. Yes, it's not a one-day work. This took me like 5 days to finish it. Yeah, because I'm a mom of two. I have to attend to the kids, house chores, those kind of things. So it took me like 5 days to achieve. So please keep on watching.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
I really appreciate it so much. I really appreciate. Please make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share with your loved one. Thank you so much, guys, for the support and love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Keep supporting your girl, because without you guys, I can't watch my video alone. So I really appreciate you guys so much. You watching my video, you supporting me means a lot to me. Can you see the final? Just take a look at this hair. This look as if I braid the hair with my own hair. So see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao. Mwah. Mwah.